Why December is such a good month to job search. Why? Because 70% of job searchers in the last few days have dropped out of the job search market. Therefore, if you're fighting against only 30%, you don't need to do too much arithmetic. There are more jobs available to you, and you can advance your job search faster in December. Plus, another added benefit of searching in December is many companies have got their budgets, and so hopefully, although nothing's for certain in today's COVID world, they are going to ramp up their staff complement in January, February, and March next year. So they are already looking to hire. So those two things really help you in your job search. So people asked me yesterday after the video, well, how do I ramp up my job search? It's like anything. The more hours you put into it, the more rewards will come your way. Treat your job search as a full-time gig if you are in career transition. If you're not and you're contemplating a job search, ramp up those hours anyway. Spend weekends, spend the evenings. So there are plenty of opportunities to network in today's environment. Don't just think that, oh, I can't network in person. No, sadly, we can't. There would have been many, many socials that you could have gone to, your work socials, other social circles that you mix in December. We all have celebrations across the world, but you can use those valuable virtual communication tools to network with key influencers. If you were my client, a job search client, coaching client, I would suggest you come forward with 35 or 40 companies you want to go and work for. There must be companies that you would like to go and work for. Why? They have a great culture. They have a great product. They have a great service. Or they may be going IPO, although I very much doubt it in today's economy. But you need to find those key influencers, not HR, but the person who would be your boss or your boss's boss. Because in the Western world, too few jobs are advertised. Here where I am in Canada, only 8% of jobs are advertised. You need to go on the hunt. You need to be a detective and hunt down those opportunities. Right now, despite what people say, in the COVID recession, or whatever you want to call it, there are jobs available for you right now. So treat it as a full-time gig. Start networking. Ensure that your LinkedIn profile is fully complete. Be active on LinkedIn. Share content. Create your own content and comment on others. That raises your profile on LinkedIn. And as we speak, there are executive recruiters probably hunting for your talent right now, but they want to see you active on LinkedIn. So, ramp up your job search. I would suggest you treat it as a full-time job, work 12 hours a day, 5 days a week, and start connecting with key influencers. Also, ensure that your resume, your CV, depending on where you are in the world, is ATS friendly, applicant tracking friendly. If it isn't, you won't go anywhere. That's the scanning application. So ramp up your job search. The more hours you put into your job search, the more rewards will come your way. Target market. You, everyone watching today, is a product. You are sending that product to the market. You are selling yourself. Why don't you sell yourself directly to your potential boss or your boss's boss? Use LinkedIn and other platforms to source down names and try and network with those people. Initiate the conversation with season's greetings, talking about things that are happening in the world, and then talk about your penchants to go and work for that particular company. We all have goals. You have goals. Your goal is to get back to work fast. You can do it, but you need to target market. If you want any help, I am here. I'm more than happy to provide some coaching to you. Also, I'm also happy to provide a free, no obligation resume critique and LinkedIn audit. Once again, my name is Martin Buckland. I manage the careers of senior executives and those who aspire to be business leaders. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that button, the bell button, where you will be notified of all future videos coming up. I will be making some more from this beautiful garden in the next few days, talking about career management. Season's greetings to you all if you don't see another video, and watch yesterday's video. Have a great day.